Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video you have given a question: x over 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 125, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So let's provide solution very quickly. Now of course, first thing here is to copy what we have. X over 2 raised to the power of 3 equal to 125. As you know, here this is x over 2 raised to the power of 3, which equals to, here we have 5 power 3. Now by grouping like terms, so we shall get x over 2 power 3 minus 5 power 3 equals to 0. And remember that when you are solving this question like this, there is different ways we can use to solve them quickly. So today's video I have given using this equation. So this one, it seems like we have a power 3 minus b power 3, which equals to 0. So we are going to transform them as x over 2, then here minus 5, right, then times here, as we have it right here, x over 2 squared, so shall get here another one, plus x over 2 times 5, then plus 5 squared, then cross bracket, this should be equals to 0. So here this one shall get common denominator of 2 to get x minus 10, then open bracket of here I have x squared over 4, then plus 5x over 2 plus 25, close bracket, this will be 0. And of course here we have x minus 10 over 2, then by finding common denominator right here we should get 4, then close to get x squared, plus here 10x plus 100, this will be 0. Then here we shall say x minus 10 over 2 will be 0, or x squared plus 10x plus 100 will be 0. So at this stage, by cross multiplication, we shall get x minus 10 equals to 0, so that here x will be 10 as our solution. Another, we shall get quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 10x plus 100 will be 0. And of course we have a which equals to 1, we have b equals to 10, and c equals to 100, as you see. And of course we know that here x2 and 3 will be negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. So we shall come up here to find x2 and 3. This is negative 10, right? So plus or minus square root of here 100 minus 4 times 100 over 2. So this is equal to negative 10 plus or minus square root of here negative 300 over 2. and of course this will be negative 10 plus or minus. Okay, this is 10I square root of 3, right? Because this is 100 times 3, square root of 100 is 10, and square root of negative is equals to I, so over 2. And this will be negative 5 plus or minus 5I square root of 3. This is our x2 and 3. So as we have it right here, we can come back to our questions that we have given right here to find if it is correct, because we have given here the place we have 10 right over 2 raised to the power 3. This is 5 power 3, so that this is 125, which is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.